Dear Phil's on Minecraft. I am going to the prison to visit Dream and make sure he's alright. If I do not return within a few days, activate the pearl I left in our book club's meeting room. If the pearl is gone, well, it was nice knowing you. I left my valuables in the barrel hidden in the top floor ceiling, and the chest under the stone in the corner of that one weird room under the house with pistons. Distribute them as you see fit. Please keep Steve and the foxes well fed. The wolves can be released into the wilderness. Tell Rambo and Nikki that they're stronger than they know. Tell Tommy that I hope he finds what he's looking for, whatever that is. Look after the others for when I'm gone. Phil, I'm glad I met you in this life.
I've been trying to get this fucking revival book for the longest time, Dream.
If I give you the revival book, you kill me. If I give it up, then I'm dead.
This is what's gonna happen, okay? I have all the fucking tools here. I have the two of the strongest people in the fucking prison cell. So what would happen if I just killed you both?
I'm not giving you the book, Quackity! Quackity! Damn! Sam, stop him!
If he kills me, doesn't that kind of just work out?
I'll tell you something, Techno. I'll tell you something. In the same way you did it, I have a pickaxe, and I'll put it through your